Welcome to my channel. AVM Fritz Box 4020 Router Setup. Unboxing and connections. Fritz Box 4020 Router Power Adapter Ethernet Cable User Manual. Connect the power adapter to the router and plug it into a power socket. If using a modem, connect an Ethernet cable from the modem's LAN port to the 1-port blue of the Fritz Box 4020. If using it as a repeater or an access point, connect it to your main router. Accessing the Fritz Box web interface. Connect your PC or mobile device to the Fritz Box via Wi-Fi. Default SSID is written on the router, or using the Ethernet cable. Open a web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and enter type http://fritz.box 192.168.178.1. Log in using the default password printed on the bottom of the router. Configuring Internet connection, go to Internet greater than account information. Select your Internet service provider, ISP, or choose Other Internet provider. Enter the PPPoE credentials, username and password provided by your ISP. Click Apply and wait for the router to connect to the Internet. Change the Wi-Fi network name SSID to your preferred name. Set a strong password under Security, WPA2/WPA3 recommended. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now.